People usually think of brand strategy as this, which is visual brand identity. So things like your fonts, your imagery, your icons, your colors, your design elements overall, your logos, all of those design aspects of bringing a brand to life from a visual standpoint. It's the really fun and creative stuff that so many of us marketers absolutely love. And so we gravitate toward it. But visual brand identity is actually an outcome of brand strategy. And this is often where the confusion comes in. So your brand strategy should always dictate your visual design. And that's really because brand strategy is all about determining how to competitively and authentically position your organization in the market and how you differentiate yourself from competitors in a way that really positively influences perception with your target audience, all of course with an eye toward achieving your business goals. So developing a solid brand strategy really involves a lot of research with your customers, your employees, leaders, partners, other key stakeholders throughout the organization and externally to really understand current brand perception and then how that brand perception either does or does not align with your business strategy. So you may have heard of things like terms such as brand essence, brand promise, taglines, of course, brand architecture, terminology like that. Brand strategy involves the creation of all of those various elements, which again always should be based on research and data. And then once your entire brand strategy is defined, it lays a solid foundation for your overall marketing and communication strategy. And it ensures that you're positioned strategically in the market, that you're crafting the right kind of unified messages, that you're building a compelling visual brand identity that will resonate with your target audiences and really help drive those positive perceptions. And this graphic does a really nice job of explaining the differences. I really like it. It's a great way of explaining the differences between business, brand, and marketing strategy, which is really helpful because all of these get confused pretty often as well. But again, the biggest confusion we really see is with brand strategy just being defined as visual brand identity. And they are two separate, but of course, related things. So the easiest way and how I like to think about brand strategy is to really think of it like your organization's North Star. So when it's done well, it really defines who you are as an organization and positions you effectively in the market to drive those positive perceptions. And great brand strategy, again, should always be based on research and combine current brand perception and market opportunity with a really deep understanding of your customers' needs. And then your brand strategy then guides the development of your visual brand identity. So visual brand identity is an outcome of brand strategy, but they aren't the same thing, which is again where most of the confusion comes in. So the easiest way to think about brand strategy is again, think of it like a guiding North Star for your organization.